Sure, what is up? Good morning, guys. It is day 7 here in Australia. We are still in Canberra, and we are now here in Tidbinbilla Nature Preserve. Hope to see some wild animals like kangaroos and koalas. So, yeah, let's go. Also, the weather today is really good. It's not that cold. It's kind of warm. So come on, let's go.
Yeah, unlike the
European
one thing.
Hey guys, we're now in the park, the nature preserve park. We're gonna go eucalypt forest because they say you see a lot of koalas there. Some wild koalas, guys. These are wild. So yeah, I hope we see koalas, take some videos and all.
Why do I feel like I linger between the words to say the words to remember. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all, lose it all, lose it all. Feel it in your heart, feel it in your legs, feel it on your fingertips and feel it in your head. Just let your body go, just let your body go, just let your body go and move to the rhythm.
Right, guys, we're now here at the top. We're now here in Mount Ainsley, and yeah, sunset is really great, guys. The view is awesome. Hope you're gonna check this out. I just flew a drone. It's awesome, guys.
Why do I feel like I linger between the words to say the words to remember. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul.
Now we're heading back to the house. Let's go. Okay, guys, this is it. We got a really very stupid idea. We're gonna go jump into the pool, and yeah, the stupid idea is it's 14 degrees. Can you see it? That is 14 degrees cold. So me and Sean here gonna jump into the pool, and I don't know if we can survive this, guys. This is it. Oh my gosh, 7 hours, it's 9 p.m. This is it, guys. This is it. Jeanette's here to film us. Oh shit, this is the pool. We don't know how cold it is, but outside it is really cold, my guys. This is it.
Do this.
How you feeling? How you feeling?
I'm feeling excited.
Yeah, how you feeling? How you feeling?
Feeling cold.
1, 2, 3, and go layat ah. Okay, sige. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh shit!
How you feel?
Easy. Oh my god. It's like ice. Ice cold.